Stuck on the side of the road? In New York, we've got you covered with top-rated local and interstate car towing services. Auto troubles can happen at any time, whether you're commuting through bustling New York City streets or driving along the highways. The good news? There's no reason to abandon your vehicle. With the right towing company, help is just a call away. Your insurance might cover emergency towing and roadside assistance, making it easy to get back on the road without stress. When you experience car trouble, don't wait. The quicker you call a towing company, the faster you can get back to your day. No one wants to be stranded longer than necessary. Here are some of the most trusted towing services in New York that can help you out no matter where you are. First up, Super Towing in Brooklyn, New York. Available 24/7. Their flatbed trucks provide safe and fast towing services. Reach them at 855-233-7851 or visit supertowingme.com. Next, Universe Towing in the Bronx, offering reliable service with an emphasis on customer satisfaction. Call them at 718-653-1200 or visit universetowingme.com. Need fast, efficient service? Beast Mode Towing Automotive is your go-to solution in the Bronx. Contact them at 718-801-6658 or visit beastmodetowingautomotive.com. Don't let a breakdown leave you stranded. Call one of these trusted New York towing services today.